My name is Valentina Morales Rios. My grade is sexto cinco. Let's start in my story in the dreams. Very go. Hi, my name is Zach. Chain move of Madison. Hi, I am Hannah. I live in Madison. Knowing is Hannah, and I showed a place beautiful. What the Ferris wheel. Went to house, Hannah, but your father, Mr. Ehrenstein, no was happy. They say a book and open. We close it again. We slappy out. What? Why is it? No. Hi, Papa. Hi, Slappy. How are you? Good. But now I'm happy, so I had you English. With your friends, I dream. No, Slappy, please. Narrator. I went to the Slappy Dreams, the maze. Where are the dreams in Slappy or a maze? Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm from Magic Forest. I have 10. Hello, my name is Hortaliza, the plant favorite in Erlenstein. Health 10. Hi, my name is Annie, the magic wand. I have 10. Hi, Papa, as they did know the final prize. No, Slappy. No, honey. Okay. Slappy, you return to the book world forever with your aliens. So I say so. Narrator. So close Slappy in the book world forever, and live happily and quiet forever. 10. Hi guys, I hope they like we heard. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.